How to solve 8 power k times 8 power k is equal to 40. Find the value of k. So, here in the form of a times a is equal to a square. So, this times this, so it will be 8 power k whole square is equal to 40. Now, here we apply this exponential rule that a power m bracket power n is equal to a power of m times n, that means mn. So according to this formula, it will be 8 power of k times 2, that means 2k is equal to 40. In the next step, we apply log in both sides. So I can write here log of 8 power 2k is equal to log of 40. In the next step, this power 2k will move to the base, so it will be 2k log 8 is equal to log 40 can be written as log of 5 times 8. Here we applied rule that log m power r is equal to r log m. So it will log 8 power 2k is same as 2k log 8. Now we have 2k log 8 is equal to log of 5 times 8. So it will is same as log 5 plus log 8. According to this formula, log of a times b is equal to log a plus log b. So log of 5 times 8 is same as log 5 plus log 8. In the next step, now we need the value of k. So divided by log 8 in both sides. Divided by log 8. So this log 8 will be cancelled. So we have 2k is equal to this part of a log 8 plus this part of a log 8. So you can write here log 5 of a log 8 plus log 8 of a log 8. So this log 8 will be cancelled. Here 1. In the next step, 2k is equal to log 5 of log 8 is same as 3 log 2. Then here plus 1. In the next step, 2k is equal to here 1 of 3. Then log 5 of log 2 is same as log 5 base 2. According to this formula, log a of log b is equal to log a base b. Then here plus 1. Now we need the value of k, so divided by 2 in both sides. So this 2 will be cancelled. So we have k is equal to 1 by 3 log 5 base 2 plus 1 divided by 2. So this is the value of k. So this is our final answer. Please do like this video and also subscribe the channel. Thank you.